Hello guys, how are you? In this video we talk about the 9 best Raspberry Pi kits ever. Subscribe our InfoRx channel.it helpful to our growth. Okay, let's go to the topic. Overview of this topic. The CanaKit Raspberry Pi 4 8GB Extreme Kit is a high-performance option with a 128GB Samsung Evo Plus microSD card and various accessories, priced at $160. The CanaKit Raspberry Pi 4 4GB Starter Max Kit is a budget-friendly option with essential components, priced at $125. The LABISTS Raspberry Pi 3B Plus Starter Kit is a budget-friendly option for beginners, priced at $93. Learning the intricate details of how computers work is a skill that promises many benefits for both kids and adults. The Raspberry Pi is an ideal way to uncover some of the long-standing mysteries you've found yourself perplexed with ever since you first saw a motherboard. This single-board computer, SBC, offers a chance for you to learn all about the basic components that make a computer work. Instead of a boring school lesson, you can actually put it to good use in many scenarios. In this article, we've compiled some of the best Raspberry Pi kits you can get your hands on in 2023. Our selection was based on factors like versatility and affordability, so browse away and find the perfect one for you. 1. CANAKIT Raspberry Pi 4 8GB Extreme Kit -$160. The CanaKit Raspberry Pi 4 8GB Extreme Kit already sounds like a mouthful, but the level of customization and performance within this device makes it a spectacular Raspberry Pi model. Specifications: 1.5 GHz 64-bit ARMv8 quad-core CPU, 128GB Samsung Evo Plus microSD card, 4 USB ports, 2 micro HDMI ports, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LAN, USB Type-C power. As one of the best Raspberry Pi kits of 2023, the CanaKit is a great choice for any enthusiasts looking to work on high-performance projects. The inclusion of an ample 128GB Samsung Evo Plus microSD card, preloaded with noobs, ensures abundant storage and a hassle-free setup. 2 6-foot micro HDMI to HDMI cables, a 3.5A USB-C Raspberry Pi 4 power supply with a noise filter, and a well-designed case with an integrated fan mount further enhance the kit's appeal. While the CanaKit Raspberry Pi 4 8GB Extreme Kit carries a premium price tag of $160, the investment guarantees quality components and a solid foundation for beginners and advanced users alike. 2. CANAKIT Raspberry Pi 4 4GB Starter Max Kit -$125. If you're looking for a budget-friendly kit, the CanaKit Raspberry Pi 4 4GB Starter Max is a device worth looking into. It focuses on the essentials, so you can fully ensure that it performs your specific tasks as programmed. You might not be capable of extreme projects with only 4GB RAM, but as a starter, you won't need a lot more than that. Specifications: 4GB RAM configuration, 64GB Evo Plus microSD card, Raspberry Pi 4 Model B, 2 micro HDMI to HDMI cables, 3.5A USB-C Raspberry Pi 4 power supply, P-switch for convenient power control, sleek white case. This device uses the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B, which was initially released in 2019. It's quite modest in terms of specs, but it is quite efficient in terms of accessibility and ports. It's an ultimately versatile choice, especially at $125. 3. LABISTS Raspberry Pi 3B Plus Starter Kit -$93. Stepping back in time, the LABISTS Raspberry Pi 3B Plus Starter Kit introduces the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B+. While not as powerful as its successors, this kit remains a compelling option, especially for those looking to explore Raspberry Pi technology on a budget. Specifications: Raspberry Pi 3B Plus motherboard, 4 USB 2.0 ports, Gigabit Ethernet port, HDMI port, audio out, power, micro SD card reader, featuring a 32GB SanDisk micro SD card preloaded with noobs, an external USB micro SD card reader, and a 3V power supply with an integrated on/off switch. This kit covers the essentials. The inclusion of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a range of ports ensures versatility despite the older model's limitations. Priced attractively, this kit provides an excellent entry point for beginners at a fraction of the cost of newer models, This makes it one of the best Raspberry Pi kits of 2023. 4. VILROS Raspberry Pi Zero W Basic Starter Kit -$40. For those looking for a smaller footprint, the Vilros Raspberry Pi Zero W Basic Starter Kit is an excellent option because it is both affordable and compact. The Raspberry Pi Zero W variant, which has Bluetooth 4.1 and 802.11b per gram, N wireless LAN capabilities, is the center of the package. Specifications: camera module, micro HDMI to HDMI cable, heatsink, 2x20-pin strip, dual male header, camera module adapter, mini HDMI cable, 32GB SanDisk micro SD card, 2 meters mini HDMI cable. The kit's cost is a selling point, but buyers anticipating a plug-and-play experience should be aware that it does not come with an SD card. Still, the Zero W SoC is a useful option for some applications because it comes with a 2.5A power supply, a noise filter, a micro USB adapter, a double pin header, a tiny HDMI adapter, a camera module adapter, and a heatsink. With a price tag of less than $40, this kit is an affordable choice for individuals with limited funds and size requirements. 5. LABISTS Raspberry Pi 4GB Complete Starter Pro Kit -$239. An appealing option for those looking to combine economy and performance is the LABISTS Raspberry Pi 4GB Complete Starter Pro Kit. With a variety of connections, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the most recent Raspberry Pi 4 with 4GB RAM, this package offers a strong platform for a wide range of projects. Specifications: 1.5 GHz quad-core ARM Cortex-A72 CPU, 500 MHz speed, Bluetooth 5.0, dual-band 802.11b per gram, N, AC wireless LAN, 4 GB RAM, 32 GB Class 10 microSD card preloaded with noobs, premium black case, USB-C power adapter, 3 premium copper heat sinks, a 32 GB SanDisk microSD card with noobs pre-installed, 2 micro HDMI connectors, a fan-cooled black gloss enclosure, a 5.1 volts, 3A power supply with an integrated on/off switch, and other peripherals are included in the box. The kit's overall performance and price make it an appealing alternative for hobbyists wishing to explore the possibilities of the Raspberry Pi 4 without going over budget, even though the case's build quality may not match more expensive options. 6. ELECROWCROWPI Raspberry Pi 4GB Kit -$340. For users seeking a versatile and advanced kit that goes beyond a single-board computer, the ELECROWCROWPI Raspberry Pi 4GB kit is a standout choice. Compatible with various Raspberry Pi models, including the Raspberry Pi 4, 3B, 3B+, this kit comes with an impressive array of 19 different sensors. Specifications: 3.5mm headphone jack, 40-pin GPIO interface, fan, HDMI expansion board, Raspberry Pi compatibility, Raspberry Pi connection, display connections. Equipped with a Raspberry Pi 4 with 4GB of RAM, this kit enables users to delve into programming with Scratch, Python, AI, and Minecraft. The ABS shell securely holds the Raspberry Pi and additional components, providing a convenient all-in-one solution. While priced at $340, the ELECROWCROWPI Raspberry Pi 4 kit offers an extensive set of tools for educational purposes and beyond. 7. CANAKIT Raspberry Pi 5 Starter Kit -$135. The CANAKIT Raspberry Pi 5 Starter Kit sticks out as the best kit choice for 2023 as the Raspberry Pi range develops. This kit offers the quad-core ARM Cortex-A76 CPU, a major increase over its predecessors, with a choice of 4GB or 8GB RAM configurations. Specifications: 27W USB-C power supply, 1 meter wide micro HDMI to HDMI cable. Processor: Broadcom BCM2712 quad-core ARM Cortex-A76 at 2.4 GHz. RAM: up to 8GB. Operating system: Linux-based. Input and output: HDMI, USB, Ethernet ports, GPIO, general-purpose input/output pins. A Raspberry Pi 5 model, a 128GB micro SD card, 2 micro HDMI to HDMI cables, a power supply, and a sturdy enclosure are all included in the $135 set. With this package, users may remain up to date on Raspberry Pi developments and have a reliable platform for a wide range of projects and applications. 8. GPIO Raspberry Pi 4 8GB Starter Kit -$280. Offering an impressive 8GB of RAM coupled with a 128GB SD card, the GPIO Raspberry Pi 4 8GB Starter Kit is a powerhouse designed for diverse applications. With a 64-bit quad-core ARM processor running at 1.5 GHz, this kit provides ample processing power for multitasking and resource-intensive projects. Specifications: 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB SD card, 64-bit quad-core ARM processor running at 1.5 GHz. Priced at $280. Raspberry Pi 4B, 128 GB SD card, 2 4K HDMI cables, 4 heatsinks, power cable. Priced at $280, the kit includes a Raspberry Pi 4B, a sturdy case, a 128 GB SD card, 2 4K HDMI cables, 4 heatsinks, and a power cable. This comprehensive kit caters to users with demanding computational needs, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. 9. VILROS Raspberry Pi 02W Basic Starter Kit -$39. The Vilros Raspberry Pi 02W Basic Starter Kit is a small, affordable computer that's ideal for simple projects. It's designed to be flexible and compact, with mini connectors and an unpopulated 40-pin GPIO. This allows you to use only what your project requires. Specifications: 1 GHz quad-core, 64-bit ARM Cortex-A53 CPU. Video Core IV GPU. 512 MB LPDDR2 DRAM. 802.11 B per gram, N wireless LAN. Bluetooth 4.2, Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE. Micro SD card slot. Mini HDMI and USB 2.0 OTG ports. Micro USB power. Everything you need for a straightforward experience is included in the package here. This has a micro SD card reader and a tiny HDMI port. Photographers may also choose from a variety of camera accessories, including cases. Despite its tiny size and inexpensive price, the Vilros Raspberry Pi 02W Basic Starter Kit is a strong tool for a variety of projects and tasks, exactly why it makes our list as one of the best Raspberry Pi kits of 2023. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, touch with us. Comment your opinions about this